Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and now welcome to my channel. So today I am going to teach you body parts. Our body has many parts. Each part has name. Each parts of our body is different. Each part does a special job. You know, each parts of our body work together. Some parts of our body are in pairs and some are single. Our body is covered with skin. We should keep our body clean. So, first I will tell you about face. We all have lovely face. Next, nose. We can smell with nose. Eyes. We can see with eyes. Ears, we can hear with ears. Tongue, we can taste with our tongue. Skin, I can feel with my skin. You know children, that is called five sense organs. The ears, eyes, nose, skin and tongue are special body parts. They are called sense organs. Next, hands. We can write eating from our hands. Finger. Each hand has 5 fingers. We can also use as writing and eating. Legs. We can walk, dance with our legs. 5 toes in each foot. That is called body parts. So let's have put those body parts on his body. कैसे देखेगी? उल्लू की आँख लगा के देखेगी। साहिबा की गुड़िया के कान नहीं हैं, वो कैसे सुनेगी? खरगोश के कान लगा के सुनेगी। साहिबा की गुड़िया के हाथ नहीं हैं, वो कैसे खाएगी? बंदर के हाथ लगा के खाएगी। साहिबा की गुड़िया के पैर नहीं हैं, वो कैसे नाचेगी? हाथी के पैर लगा के नाचेगी। Chubby cheek, dimple chin, rosy lips, teeth within, curly hair, very fair, eyes are blue, lovely too. Teacher spat, is that you? Yes, yes, yes. So now I am going to create some people, boy and girl. First person I am going to create, it is boy. Do you want to see how can create a boy? Okay, you can see it's so easy. So let's start with ma'am. First I am going to create circle. Then I am going to create ears. Ears on the side. Then let's create a small line on the top of his head. Some boys has small hairs and some boys has long hairs. So I am going to create a small hair. Then let's going to create small eyes and second eyes. Then going to create a nose and little mouth, just a curved line, and let's make to smile. Okay, so it's done. He has a face and hat. So next I am going to create the rest of his body. First I am going to create a small line. It represents as a neck. And then close up of two lines. Next I am going to create slanting line. Okay, so it's going to represent his shoulder. His shoulder are going to cover by his shirt. Next again going to create a slanting line. It represent as his sleeves. Then again slanting line come in. Then we are going to create his shirt. First, you have to make a straight line closing at the bottom side. Okay, so next part I am going to create a hands. You have to make a small lines on other side. Next we are going to create a hand, finger. Let's going to create a finger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's just like this. Next another hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So guys, it's look nice now. So next part I am going to create his shorts. You have to make again a straight line. Then you have to make a sleeping line. Don't touching each other, and you have to go inside like this. So it's create. Next I am going to create his legs. Is done. Now you have to create his shoes. And if you want to put lace on here, you can create. Go ahead and do that. If you want to make socks, then you can make socks. Let's have create. It's fine. So our boy is done. Now we are going to create girl. First make circle. Then I am to going create this girl has closed eyes. So I am going to make a very soft curve line and small tiny lines on those curve. So it's create. Now I am going to create a small nose. Next, going to make as a curve line of her little mouth, and then make smile. And here I will go to create later. First I will create the rest of her body. Then I am going to create a small line and close of two lines. Then I am going to create a shoulder slanting line. It represents as a shoulder. Represent her sleeves. Then again slanting line go in. Then her dress will flare out. Okay, and close at the bottom side. Then I am going to create her hand, and then I am going to create 5 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. On another hand, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's create details on her dress. We can make designs on her frock. We can make curve like this. Okay. Next we can create a small flower. Do you like a small flower? We can create. Then we can create on her neck. We can create more flowers on her frock. Okay, so how it's look? We can make more designs if you want. Next I am going to create her legs. You have to make standing lines and then make sandals. Then make heels. If you want to put laces, you can put. Do you want to make socks? You can make socks on another leg. Okay, so fine is done. Now we can create her hairs like curly type of hairs. If you want curve, long, short, whatever you want. Okay, so first I will make curve hair like design. Again another side. Okay, then starting to middle and come down and make a little curve. Next start to middle and come down and make a little curve. You can create a more hair like curly hair. Okay, see how it's look. Is look nice? I will like to make some curve line. Okay, so we have a boy and girl. So it's totally up to you how do you want to create a hair. Okay, so it's done. How it looks, and we have a girl and boy. Then you can draw by yourself. It is very easy way to draw and learn them. So guys, you can create for your child. It's very easy and they can learn to draw how can draw girl and boy. Thank you for watching.